Once upon a time, in a small town, there were three best friends named Ali, Rohan, and Arjun. They were all in the same kindergarten class and loved to play together every day during recess. One day, their teacher, Miss Sarah, had a special lesson for them about the importance of always telling the truth. Miss Sarah gathered all the children in a circle and began to tell them a story. She said, once there were three little birds who lived in a beautiful garden. The birds were very curious and loved to explore the garden every day. One day, they found a shiny object in the garden and decided to play with it, but they didn't know that the shiny object belonged to a gardener and he was looking for it everywhere. The children listened intently as Miss Sarah continued. The birds thought it would be fun to keep the shiny object for themselves, so they hid it in their nest. But when the gardener asked them if they had seen his missing object, the birds lied and said they hadn't seen it. The gardener was very sad because the shiny object was very precious to him. Ali, Rohan, and Arjun looked at each other nervously, realizing that the story was about them. Miss Sarah smiled kindly and said, remember, children, it's always important to tell the truth, even if you think you might get in trouble. Lying only leads to more trouble in the end. The three friends nodded in understanding, but little did they know that a test of their honesty would come sooner than they expected. Later that day, during playtime, Ali accidentally knocked over a stack of blocks that Arjun had been building. Arjun's face fell as he saw his hard work crumble to the ground. Rohan saw what happened and knew that Ali was feeling guilty, so he whispered to him, remember what Miss Sarah said about telling the truth? Ali took a deep breath and walked over to Arjun. I'm so sorry, Arjun. I accidentally knocked over your blocks. It was my fault, he confessed. Arjun looked surprised at Ali's honesty and smiled. It's okay, Ali. Thank you for telling me the truth. Let's clean up the blocks together. As they worked together to rebuild the tower, Rohan joined in and the three friends realized that being honest with each other only made their friendship stronger. That evening, as they walked home from school, Ali, Rohan, and Arjun saw a lost puppy wandering the streets. The puppy looked scared and alone, and the boys knew they had to help. They decided to take the puppy to Miss Sarah, who would know what to do. Miss Sarah was touched by the boys' kindness and praised them for their honesty and compassion. She helped them locate the puppy's owner, who was overjoyed to be reunited with their furry friend. From that day on, Ali, Rohan, and Arjun made a promise to always be honest with each other and with everyone they met. They learned that telling the truth not only builds trust and respect but also leads to greater happiness and peace in their hearts. And so, the three friends continued to play and explore together, knowing that their bond was strong because they never lied to their teacher or each other. And in the end, they lived happily ever after, knowing that honesty is always the best policy.